Hi, this is my tool unboxing video. Uh, yeah, I got a bunch of tools at Home Depot quite a while ago. Let me get the tool bag. I can't flip the camera. Okay, whatever. Let me get the tool bag to just show that. Oh, okay. Husky, they're okay. They're okay tool brand. These are C-clips. These are all the tools I'm inheriting, so I don't need to unbox them. Pliers. Well, this is already like unboxed hammer. I'm testing out this brand. It's Anvil, so I don't know if it's good. Might fall apart. Might fall apart. Better watch out. Ooh, this is Legacy. Look at the wood. You know it's good. It got wood on it. It's Stanley. And it's just like measuring recorder. You know how it is. Old fat wood Legacy. It's like better or something. Okay. Shit like people show food. The knife. I can unbox these first, then I can unbox the other things faster. I have scissors, but I'm gonna try and do it with my hand. Cut myself open. Okay, I'm gonna do it with scissors. I actually got these tools a while ago, but I didn't open them until now because I was lazy. So I don't know if my dad might want to return them for some reason, just in case. Because I don't need them or something. I think I did that with maybe some tool, but I'm not sure. Blade holder. Yeah. Thing good about these knives, you can replace the razor blade, you know? So, I don't know about the other knife I showed. You can't really replace that blade. But look at that. Ah, it looked tough. Unboxing. Oh, the razor is separate. It's not even in the knife. It really looked like it was in the knife. I'm not gonna put it in the knife right now because that's really sharp. Didn't it say something about whatever? It said something about probably how I can sheathe it inside there. I don't want to cut my finger open. I'll leave it like that for now. I'll open this one. Also, this is a folding, so it isn't always open. Unboxing. It's just to tell me where to cut. I should probably do that so I don't break it. These were expensive. Like the total was like $300, which I guess isn't that much, but it's still like a lot. And also now, because of like before, my dad said he could file tools, so he would get less on taxes or something. So now you can't do that. So it's like worse, but I don't know. I don't know. I won't get political. Right. Okay, I got enough out. It looks very sharp. Look at the ferocity. Okay. So I ordered things. Now, there's a voltage inspector. You put in an outlet. Yeah. And test the voltage. Now I'm gonna cut everything open with this knife. I really hope I don't cut myself. I just want see how good it is. It's cutting. Darn tootin'. I really hope I don't break any of the other tools, but yeah, I need to test it. I don't know if y'all youngins, y'all spry chickens know this, but don't cut towards yourself. That's how it goes all bad. Wait, I'm working. I ain't going down. Alright. I don't know how to put it down. Bro, what the fuck are these instructions? Right? So it says, you can't see, but right there it says liner lock. And then under the instructions for what it means for that, this says liner lock twice again. What Neanderthal put those instructions on the packaging? Milwaukee is a very trustable tool brand, but what the fuck is this bullshit, bro? Liner lock. Why are you telling me twice again? It's not even another language. You won't really need another language. I don't know. This is nonsensical. Whoa. Yeah, how the fuck do I close this shit? I don't want this cram frangling around like. Well, I'll find out. I don't know. I already tore up all the packaging, so I can't really understand. It's all the packaging I tore up. I don't know what to do. I should have taken a photo. I can't even take a photo. I'm recording, you bastard. Fucking ruining my life. Imagine someone hears this through the door and like, boy's going crazy. Okay, I got a voltage tester. And these are obviously very important for electricians, so you don't blow your nuts off. How do I open it? Oh shit! I just turned it on. How do I turn it on? I don't know if y'all heard that. Okay, I turned it off. You heard that beep though. Shush! I'll be right back.